Okay, next topic is rain calendar. Water shortage becomes worse every year. One student is saying water shortage becomes very dangerous situations in every year. Then one student is replied, the rainy days of June are marked in my calendar. See, the rain calendar in Mayuga has made. Yes, yes. See the rain calendar 2015 June. Sunny days marked with this picture. Yes, we have to see in the sunny day. Then rainy days is marked with this picture. Yes, rainy days we have to see it. Okay. Then we have to find it. How many days are in June? How many days? Yes, 13 days. So we have to write in that box 30. Then how many rainy days? You have to count it. How many rainy days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, 23 rainy days are there. 23 rainy days are there. Then how many sunny days are there? How many sunny days are there? How many sunny days are there? Yes, how will you find it? Yes, 30 minus 23. 30 minus 23 is 7 days. 7 sunny days are there. Then, which is more, rainy days or sunny days? Obviously, is rainy days are there. 23 and 7. 23 rainy days are there. That's for rainy days are more. So, we had to write in that box rainy days. Okay. Okay. Next topic is from the calendar. From the calendar. How many days are there in each month? Look in a calendar and write in the table. So all of you take a calendar from your house and look that calendar and find it. How many days are in each month? You know, in every year, each year there are 12 months are there. January, February, like that. Okay, 12 months are there. Then we have to write how many days are in each month. In January month, 31 days are there. In February month, there are like 28 or 29. 28 or 29 days. Okay, in February months only 28 or 29 days are there. Okay, then next in March month, sorry, in March month how many days are there? Yes, 31 days are there in March month. Sorry. Okay, in March month 31 days are there. Next, in April month 30 days are there. April month 30 days. In May month, yes, 31 days are there. In June month, yes, 30 days. It is their alternative 30 and 31. 30, 31. Then July month, yes, 31. July month 31. Sorry, this for arranging is very. March month 31 days are there. Then April 30 days. Then May month 31 days are there. 31 days. May month 31 days. Then June month 30 days. July month 31 days. Then August month, yes, 31 days. Sorry, that is marked in September. Sorry, August month 31 days, August month. Okay, then next September month 30 days. Then October alternative 31. Then November 30 days. Then in our December month 31 days. Okay, then how many months are there? Yes, 12 months. How many months are there? 12 months. So fill in this box. 12 months. 12 months are there. Okay. The next, calendar math. 2016 January and 2016 February. We have to find it. Look at this calendar. Look at this calendar. From this calendar, find a square, that is 3, 4, 10, 11. And we have to add this diagonally. Diagonally means like this. Diagonally. Okay, diagonally. That is 3 plus 11. 3 plus 11 and 4 plus 10. That is 3 plus 11 we have 14. And 10 plus 4 is again 14. That is same. That is like this. Mark 4 numbers in a square and add diagonally. What do you see? What do you see? Same number. That is, find a 4 number. Mark 4 number in a square. So we have to find another example in February calendar. You have to find it. You have to mark this square, that is 10, 11 and 17, 8. This square. You have to add this diagonally, that number, that is 10 plus 8. 10 plus 18 and 11 plus 17. Yes, 10 plus 18 is 28. 28 and 11 plus 17 is again 28. So what do you see? Yes, same number. In any calendar, we have to mark 4 numbers in a square and add diagonally that number in that square. Add diagonally. We have to see same answer. Yes, diagonally we have to add. We have to see a same number, 14 and 14. Here is also 28 or 28 and 28. Okay. Then next topic is summer. Wells and canals in Mayuga's village are drying up. A tanker arrives with drinking water. You have to see a picture. A tanker is arriving in that village. Okay. A long queue of 45 people await to get water. Yes, a long queue. How many people are there in that queue? Yes, 45 people are there. Then Mayuga's mother is the 27th. Mayuga's mother is 27th member in that queue. There's no more water after her. After Mayuga's mother, there are no more water after her. How many are left without getting water? We have to find it. How many people are left remaining in that queue without getting water? You have to find it. Then how will you find it? Yes, total number is 45 people in that queue. Then Mayuga's mother is 27th member. So 45 minus 27. Yes, that is Yes, that is number of people in the queue. Number of people in the queue. Yes, 45 people. 45 people. Then number of people who got water. How many people? Yes, number of people who got water. How many people who got water? 27 people who got water. Got water is 27 people. 27 people got water. We have to find it. So number of people who didn't got water, who didn't get water, who didn't get water. How many people are there? Didn't get water. Yes, 45 minus 27. 45 minus 27. What's the answer? Yes, 18. That is 45 minus 27. That is 5 minus 7. We cannot subtract 5 minus 7. So we need borrowing. That is 4 become 3. After receiving 1, this 5 become 15. Then 15 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 18. You got it? Okay, 18. All of you write in that box 18. Like this, number of people in the queue 45. Number of people who got water is 27. So, number of people who didn't get water is 45 minus 27 is 18. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next topic is next question. Let's do. Sabu has 35 rupees with him. He bought a pen and a pencil for 19 rupees. How much does he have now? Yes, Sabu's hand in 35 rupees. He bought a pen and pencil for 19 rupees. Then how many rupees are left it in Sabu's hand? What will do? Yes, 35 minus 19. 35 total rupees is 35 minus 19. And his answer is yes, 16. 16 is the answer. Okay. Okay. Next question. Kiran bought a notebook for 13 rupees and a box for 47 rupees. What is the total? What is the total? Yes, Kiran bought notebook and a box. That is 13 plus 47. 13 plus 47. 13 plus 47. What's the answer? All of you add it vertically and find the answer. That is 3 plus 7 is 10. That is 0 plus 1. That is 60. Okay, all of you write in that vertically. Okay. Okay. Then next question. In a dice game, Cecily got 72 points and Gigi got 54 points. How many points more than Gigi did Cecily get? Yes, and that is in a game, that is in dice game, Cecily got 72 points and Gigi got 54 points only. Then how many points get Gigi, we have to find it how many points get Gigi than Sicily. Then how many more points get Gigi than Sicily? Then what we'll do? Yes, 72 minus 54. 72 minus 54. What's the answer? 72 minus 54. Yes, 18 points get in Gigi more than Sicily. Okay, next question. Alina has 43 gooseberries. She gave 18 to Rani and 17 to Shiji. How many are left it? How many are left it? Then what we'll do? Yes, in Alina's hand. In Alina's hand, how many gooseberries are there? Yes, 43 gooseberries are there. Then to Rani she gave 18 to Rani. So to Rani, how many gooseberries she gave Rani? Yes, 18 gooseberries. 18 gooseberries gave to Rani. Then how many remaining there? Remaining it? Yes, 43 minus 18. 43 minus 18. 43 minus 18. What's the answer? Yes, 25 gooseberries. 25 gooseberries. Okay, we had to find it. That is 43 gooseberries. She gave 18 to Rani and 17 to Shiji. That is 17. 43 minus 43. 43 minus first minus 18. 43 minus 18. That is 3 minus 8. We cannot subtract 3 minus 8. So 4 become 3 and 3 become, after receiving 1, these 3 become 13. That is 13 minus 8. Yes. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 15. Sorry, 5. That is 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 25 is remaining after receiving to Rani. Then after 25, from this 25, she gave 17 to Shiji. So what we'll do? 25 minus 17. 17 gooseberries gave to Shiji. So 25 minus 17 is, yes, 8. Only 8 gooseberries are remaining it in Alina's hand. Okay. Did you clear? First subtract 43 minus 18. Then after that subtract 25 minus 17. So then write the answer. Here 8 gooseberries are there. 8 gooseberries are there. Okay. 8 gooseberries are remaining it. Okay. Next question. Arshad bought bananas for 38 rupees and biscuit for 14 rupees. He gave 60 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much would he get back? How much would he get back? Yes, bananas bought 38. Arshad bought bananas for how much rupees? 38 rupees. And biscuit bought 14 rupees. First find this total. 38 plus 14. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 1 is remaining. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That is 52. 52. Then shopkeeper, he gave how much rupees? 62 rupees. 60 rupees. Then how many rupees get back? That is 60. All of you write in that box. 60 minus 12. Sorry, 60 minus 52. 60 minus 52. What's the answer? Here 60 minus 52. So 0 minus 2, we cannot subtract 0 minus 2. So we need borrow from this 6. That is 6 become 5. This 0 become 10. That is 10 minus 2 is, yes, 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. That is answer is 8. Okay. Okay.